Today we're going to look at connecting your MySQL Workbench database to Tableau. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've installed MySQL Workbench. You'll see here I have 3 instances. The first one, which we're going to focus on, is basically what the default settings were recommended during the installation process. You can see the local host down here. That's going to be the server name. 3306 is going to be our port name, and my username is root. And when I set up my account, I also added a password of health. Just keep that in mind. So I'm going to click on this local instance, and right now what we want to do is we want to install the HIN715 HbA1c database that was in the learning module. So we're going to take that. I downloaded the text file. This is that. There's a lot of numbers and data entered there. I'm going to Control A, copy everything, select it all, copy, and then just paste it directly into a new SQL script and click execute, which is this. I've already run this, but once this is all run, it takes a couple of minutes to run. You're going to see over here there's a new database that's formed called HIN715 HbA1c database, and there's several tables that have the data that we're going to be using for this course. Now to test some of that information, we can select one of these tables and view what information are there. So select, let's select all from HIN, there it is, dot, and let's look at the patients. Okay, and we're going to run that. And you're going to see that all that information for our patient list for this course is going to be listed here. It looks like we have quite a few patients, some information, street addresses, zip codes, date of birth, and so on. Now we want to connect these tables to our Tableau so we can visualize some of this. So what we're going to do is open up Tableau, and you're going to go down, you're going to find MySQL. You'll click on that. You'll see the server name, localhost, the port name, 3306. The username is root, and remember my password was simply health. So I just type in HEALTH, click sign in. That's going to draw that connection to that database, and we're going to select HIN715 HbA1c. It'll take a second to process, and then we can pull our patient list over here and update. And you will see that this is going to have that same information that was available here in MySQL. Okay? Click on Sheet, and we can further evaluate what that information is. Okay? Thank you.